It's a new year. I haven't been posting videos before this one this year. It's not much happening. The Land Cruiser is, sadly to say, still standing here. I have space in the garage now, so the plan was to take it in, but it was shooting so much black smoke. I just have to start it up. I had the condensation remover I filled up with yesterday to find the right key. And now I'm just see if I can start it up, and if that helps, so we can stand and clean itself out a little, and we can see at some other things. About no. Ay. This one don't like it at all. See here, this black smoke on the poor Suara, just standing here waiting for the spring. They say it should be easier to get it on Norwegian plate now, maybe. So we have to see. My friend's Jaguar V12, it's still just standing here. We haven't decided what to do. And the e-Golf standing here, but positive thing here now is they say that the prices on the battery on the crasher places is much better. So now maybe it's economical to be able to buy a battery and change it. So that is an idea coming up. Try to get a battery for that one. The poor Fiesta did a hard hit in the end of last year, but we could drive it home. I can weld the bumper, plastic welding, and different things, but I'm not sure if we're going to do it. The Land Cruiser 60 series is just standing, waiting. Also behind it. So it's a lot of things that I have been standing, waiting, because I had a problem with the cars that I was supposed to use daily. Like the Fiesta that crashed, like the battery that died on the e-Golf, like the Camry's exhaust was falling off in the end. My boy had to use it after the problem with the Fiesta. So we lost the exhaust, and I got a new one from USA, but they were not perfect, so I had to get it in and weld up some things. But this was nothing to make a video about, because he was in a place where I was borrowing from someone else with a lot of other things. But this area around here where the car stands now is hopefully going to be a garage space during this year. I hope so. If it goes on like it has done on other things, I seriously need to get in some other cars and fix. And I have got parts lying for a lot of things. So I have we got some more parts for the Mercedes S-Class that was coming in, so I can fix up the problem with the crash on that one. Yeah, there's so many different things that I was now planning for this year. So I'm just going on, trying to see. But thinking about what was the thing about last year. What was my big positive in the car industry? The Scout, International Scout, that Volkswagen VAG group had bought up and coming back. They showed a Scout. That was, in my eyes, a very nice new concepts and new cars. So that could be a very positive thing. And then we have, let me see, the Jaguar here. This is pretty cars in my eyes. But you guys, maybe everyone has seen what Jaguar have been doing. It's scary. So that was the big negative in the car industry from my point of view last year. So I'm just crossing my fingers that this year I can get much more done that I didn't be able to do last year because of traveling a lot in basket and also some sickness in the family that sorely ended badly last year. So we just crossing fingers for everything being better. And it's nice to see that a lot of my older videos and also from lately on the Lexus RX 400 and things starting to get a lot of view. Yeah, a lot of things are positive, some things have been very bad. Just crossing my fingers and hoping. I hope you guys come back, I hope you go in and see soon to be 560 videos. So it's a lot you can see. Yeah, thank you.